Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make this cool shampoo slime. And it's super easy because all you need is shampoo. I'm using this one and salt. So first, and you need a container and something to mix with. So first you are going to add your shampoo in your container like this, and then you're just gonna mix it. See? Then you add a pinch of salt and mix. Then you would want to add it in the freezer for 5 minutes. So I'm going to add this into the freezer. For 5 minutes. And yeah. So I'm going to add this in the freezer. So guys, I added it in the freezer and I'm going to update you when it's finished. So here is the slime I made. It is also non-stick. So yeah. Oh yes, and please like and subscribe if you like this video, and comment down below if you tried this out and if you want to try it out, and if there are any other slime videos you would want me to make. This is my first slime video, but yeah, so just tell me and then I'll make a video for you guys. Well, if you want me to make it with borax, in Namibia we don't have borax, so yeah. So I'm just gonna go and use Airwick because they say Airwick has borax in it. I'm not sure, but they say so. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out. So guys, it has been in the freezer, and then you mix it. It clumps up. And so yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. And please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!